asuntosykeyhtiö Seitsemänselkä.
Ristiaallokonkatu 5 teki stay here in Kivenlahti, Stensvik, close to Espoo-Lahti, Espoo-Viken in Espoo, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, Uusimaa, Finland. The capacity is 4 persons of 300 micrograms. It was built in 1982, 40 years old this year. 2022. Yes, here. But it might be Korsvågsgatan in Swedish. We'll check that later. This number is H62295, and you can of course watch the stickers A here as well. It's amazing that 8 floors deserves 2 rides. It will be inspected in 2024. Love the sounds and smelling here.
Se Speedparkki vois, mutta mietin, että pääs pois. That's